Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious homemade pizza from scratch. Whether you're a pizza lover or just looking for a fun cooking project, this recipe is perfect for you. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need to make the pizza dough for yourself. So now let's get started by making our dough. First we'll activate our yeast. In a bowl, combine the warm water, yeast and sugar and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes frothy. Add the flour and the salt and mix together to form a dough. Now we're going to be kneading the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth, very smooth. Place the dough in an oil bowl, cover it with a towel and let it raise in a warm area for at least an hour. Yes, our dough is ready. Look at that, it has doubled in size. So we're going to give it a Goku punch to punch it down and release some of the air. We're going to cut it in 4 pieces and we're going to roll it out for a desired thickness. And if you realize, one is going to be a flat pizza and one is also going to be a deep dish pizza. So now that it is out of the way, let's spread our sauce over the dough. Now here comes the fun part. Alright guys, so now that we have that out of the way, our sauce is done, looking rich. We're going to be adding some toppings. You can use whatever you like. I'm using pineapples, some chopped chicken, mozzarella cheese, and I also have some sauteed peppers. I'm going to be adding that to my pizza. So feel free to add whatever toppings you like. I'm just adding what I love. So while that is going on, we preheated our oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. So now let's bake our pizza. This should take at least 12 to 15 minutes until it becomes golden brown and bubbly. And there you have it guys, a delicious homemade pizza. Let it cool for at least 1 minute, then we slice it up. Absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you want to try this at home, please go ahead and try it. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know how it turned out. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Until the next time, thank you guys for watching and happy cooking.